Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Best Car Fixes. Today we have the 2008 up to 2012-13 Mercedes-Benz C300. You notice here we have MB tools, and what we need to tell you is that we have the ignition switch that was no good, but we get another one. The first one is if you remember, is full of water. This is clean. We are able to read the information out of this one because we need to generate a key, and actually we generate two new key for it. You see, this is one key. That means if you read this key and you read the SD of this one, it will be the same. So that means before, this one is the one that is no good, if you remember. You see, messed up. All is corroded. And even if you look at it from inside, here also, all is corrosion. You see. So what we did is, we read this information. We try to make one key here. And also, this one also, it have water get into it. So we are trying to generate an emulator for it, which is going to work the same as this one. And this is the box here. So what we need to do is we need to write, also the file, you get it from here. You have to get a password, calculate it, and get a file for ELS, with electronic steering lock. Okay. I'm gonna open these tools here, and I save the file here. You see, this is all the file for this EIS. After we calculate the password, we get all these files. But if you notice here, you go down, you're gonna see here, we have one file, say ESPW, which is power. This one here, which is ES green key file. You're gonna take this one here and offline calculator like this, and you're gonna write down that file you see here. You're gonna get it and upload it there. As soon as you upload it, it will give you and calculate it. It will give you this file here. See this file? It will give you this file. And that file, you see, it say PW green key ESL, electronic ignition lock. So what we need to do, I am going to open this platform, and I will try to download the software here and activate this one. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna close this here for now. Let me activate my. There is a lot of tools out there, but okay, here is MB key, and I open ESL EvoProc software. Here I'm going to open, because there is three of them: ESL 210, ESL 203, ESL NEC, ESL 204. This is the one I needed. Now I connect this one through the same Evo key programmer, and I have the same power for this one also, in case I need to read a key, or in case I need to read this one. It has its own function. I'm gonna read this one. This one come like ready, but you have to prepare it. So as soon as I do this one, I already connected. I connect a battery. It was open. No, yeah, the battery is open. Be sure that your battery is full, and I know it's connected because the charger there is that Bluetooth is blinking. And you go slowly, take your time and read it. Come here, read this. I'm gonna read it. You see, ESL, try to read. On the bottom, 100% read. Okay, now everything is good. But look here. Transport protection 0. Personalized, okay. Activated, okay. Open state, okay. So now let me try to unlock it. What you need to do, you're gonna come here on those digit number, change 1. If I change 1 to 1 here, look here. As soon as I change it here, we're gonna be numbers because it's gonna locked. I put 1, unlock come. So what I need to do is I will unlock it. If you unlock it, those will change. So I'm gonna click unlock. Unlock. You're gonna see now. I unlock it. See, now I unlock it, right? Now you see what you have. Number change, 000, open state. There is nothing on it. In order for you to write that file on it, which is the ESL here, I have it here. So what you need to do is come to load. You're gonna load it, load something. Now you're gonna go to that file. The file is 50 boy. Look at 50 boy. 50 boy Apple. Open this. Now you click on it. Look for ESL. Those are the keys. ESL, green key, power key, ESL. It must have ESL. Now open it. Now you open this. This is a password. Okay, you open it, write it. We're gonna write this into this. I'm gonna click write. You're gonna see start writing. Are you sure you want? Are you insert password in the window? I say yes. See, right. Successful verification. 100%. Open state 1, but personalize 1. That means it's okay. Now, if I read it, you're gonna see a different way. I'm gonna read it again. I'm gonna read it. You see now, ES activated. To activate the ELV, press open button or start engine by valid key. That to activate it. So I'm good now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect this one here. Now I have this instead of this. I have my key. I have my ignition switch, and I'm gonna go put a charger on the car, connect this one here, connect this one, and connect the ESL in the bottom there, and we will see what is the result of the programming. At this time, I have a complete set. On the car, I changed the cluster because the cluster was no good. I changed a lot of stuff. In this one here, this is supposed to be ready to go. Okay. Okay, I make 2 keys. This one for this. And we are good to go. So the process is, first, you have to have, if, for example, the car is not working at all, and they tell you this steering lock is no good, get this one. But it will not work. With this tool I'm talking about, you have to read, even if you have a key, you have to read the data, and you have to prepare a software for this. By taking the data, getting the password out of it, have it saved, which I'm talking about this file. This is a complete file for every car have this file, and I have a key from 0, and this is the SSID. You get it in a key, the same time in a green key file. So as soon as, and all the key numbers are here. As soon as you finish with this, as I told you, You take the green key file, this is the one at the bottom, and you go and you open offline calculators. You calculate the information, and this, you calculate it, and then that file is gonna come out for you, a small file like this. You take that one and you open this ELV EVO Proc, and you're gonna walk through the same thing, and you have this one ready to go. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in the next video where I'm gonna put everything together. Try to start this car. It was a flooded car from a couple of months ago, but we are trying to put everything together. This is one of the tools from MB Engineering. They have a lot of functions and they work, but every company, every engineering there out there, they're dealing with cars. They have their tools at the end, whether it's a doctor from Africa, from America, from Europe, from all over, they are dealing with one person with different tools and language, with one person to cure, whether he have a operation in the stomach or belly or eye. This also are tools all over the world, from Europe, from America, from all over. The basic is 0101. They are dealing with Mercedes-Benz, for example, whether it is manufactured here, whether it's manufactured by everyone. The idea is that you have tools that need to fix cars. Some engineer, they are good, they reach the level, the best. The dealer have his own tools. It has its own restrictions. But other engineer, they have their own way and their own setup, and they all going. It's just like a navigation system. You go to Google, they give you his Google map. You go to Apple, they have their own ways, they have their own, and they tell you where the accident is, a camera, and that's how it's working. Please subscribe, share, and like, and let us go to the next, explore the world of technology and beyond. We have the present, the past, and the future of the technology, where the car have no starter. We crank it with a cable, and now you crank the car with your phone. You send a signal from physical cable for starter all the way to what we have now. Thank you for being with me, helping me with questions and answer that I don't have. Any job I do raw. That means I do my mistakes. If you know that I did something wrong, please help. We need other people to learn. Thank you for all of you that are helping me and keep this website and this YouTube going. Please visit us in Facebook, TikTok, we are all over. Thank you very much, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.